I made it last night, just in case you found a cloud card at the amusement park.
I'll start with this card.
No thanks. I'm just gonna go home and wait for my dad. Ready, Cubix?
Ready.
Let's bolt. It's really coming down.
We're almost there. This way, girls. Just a little further.
We better hurry.
There's the power plant. Let's check inside. If no one's here, we might as well look around, huh?
Something's really weird. Why isn't anybody working here?
It looks like the central control room's down that way.
But he still wasn't home. I'm starting to get worried about Dad.
What's that sound? I don't know. Hey, look! It's water!
But water doesn't come from the wood card.
Must be from the other card.
What's that? You mean there's another card?
Yeah.
That must be it.
I'll start with this card.
It's the rain card.
Rain card?
That explains why the wood card's stronger than usual. It's being fueled by the rain card. Get it, Sakura!
Right. Okay, camera's rolling. Rain! One!
I don't care who you are.
This has gone far enough. Looking good.
Hey, Sakura, heads up!
Hey, you know, this isn't so bad.
Sakura, it's just toying with you.
Fuel leaking. Highly combustible. What?
So do something!
Seal it right now!
I'm trying! It's too fast!
told you. She's a gentle card.
Just have to keep an eye on her friends, I suppose.
Pikachu?
Hey, look at that!
A rainbow! It's beautiful!
He'll be all right. My dad can take care of himself.
I hope you're right.
But there is no way you can imitate his deck. That means when the duel's done, I'll have 6.
Sakura.
Well, maybe from now on you'll remember to make the cards your own, huh, Sakura?
Okay, I got the point, Kiro.
Well, in that case, I'm gonna go get some sleep.
Night, Kiro.
Hey, Connor. What are you doing at Abby's house?
Yeah, Hella just called, and she sounded very worried about you. She's driving around with your dad.
My dad's with Hella?
I don't see what's so funny about that.
Maybe they're an item. Ooh. It's funny, sort of.
Yeah, that sounds more dangerous than the store.
Connor, you have to call Hella on her mobile. Here. They're worried about you.
All right.
Sorry about all that. Don't worry. Videotaping this was way more exciting than the rides at the amusement park. Yeah, that's true.
Sakura, come quick!